Okay, you know the drill. Number your angles. I'm going to switch to a different color. This is 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Remember, if it has a 1, they're all equal. If it has a 2, they're all equal. So I'm looking for the easy equation. I want a 1 equals a 1 or a 2 equals a 2. So this is a 1, this is a 1, and this is a 1. None of these seem easier than the other, but maybe I'll pick the ones with the smaller numbers. So I'm going to do 23x minus 5 equals 21x plus 5. So I have variables in two places. I can't have that. I'm going to choose the smaller one, which is 21, and I'm going to get rid of it on both sides. Don't forget the x. 23 minus 21 is 2x. Bring down the minus 5. Bring down the equal sign. Bring down the 5. I need the 2x by itself, so the minus 5 has to go. I'm going to do the opposite on both sides. Bring down the 2x. Bring down the equal sign. 5 plus 5 is 10. I want it to say x, not 2x. I get rid of that 2 by dividing. So x equals 5. Not the answer, but that's where we're stopping today. Try the next one. Actually, I think you did 2 of these, so I'm going to go on. Same thing. We're going to start, as always, by numbering 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. They only gave me 2 angles here, so this is a 2. Yay. And this is a 2. So I can write the easy equation. I'm going to set them equal to each other. And hopefully you're saying it on your own now. I have variables in 2 places. I can't have that. I'm going to choose the smaller one and get rid of it. Bring down the 10. Bring down the equals. 5 minus 3 is 2. Don't forget the x. Bring down the minus 10. I want the 2x by itself. Get rid of the minus 10 by adding 10, both sides. 10 plus 10 is 20. Bring down your equal sign. Bring down your 2x. These are gone. Now what? I want it to be x, not 2x. Get rid of the 2 by dividing. So 10 equals x. If you don't like it that way, switch it around. X equals 10. That is it. So for this exit ticket, you're going to have to write the equation and solve for x, and then that's where we stop. If you don't do well, try the redo, but practice first. Don't fail one and then take the next one right away. You might not be ready for it yet.